Hello and welcome! Today we're going to make an origami elephant. Once you have downloaded the template from my TPT store, it will come in a zip file. Once you have extracted the file, it will contain two PDF templates, one in colour and the other in black and white. Select the one you want to use and print it. Before we start, you will need to cut out the template using the outer guideline to make a square like shown here. Step 1. You will find 4 lines that run through the centre of the paper. You need to fold along each of these crease lines. Remember, you can check if you made the correct fold by looking at the crease lines marked on the paper on both sides. Step 2. You're going to select one of the diagonal crease lines that you just made, and using that line you're going to make an inside reverse fold like so. Let's check how it looks. Step 3. You are going to look for 4 crease lines shown here. Then you're going to fold inwards over this crease line to the centre of the square for each of the 4 crease lines. Now unfold. Step 4. Using the folds that you just created, you're going to make an inside reverse fold like shown here. We will do that on each side. Step 5. You're going to look for the face of the paper with the eyes, and we're going to fold the top part upwards like this. Step 6. Now you're going to look for 2 diagonal lines on the bottom half of the paper, and we're going to fold these upwards like shown here. Step 7. Looking at the side view of the paper, you will see a gap. With this, you're going to make a squash fold with the help of the folds that you just created. Remember, you can check if you made the correct fold by looking at the crease lines marked on the paper on both sides. Step 8. You now have a shape that looks like a star. On 2 of the triangles, you will find a horizontal crease line on the points shown here. You're going to fold these lines inwards on each side. Step 9. Now you're going to see 2 new dashed lines at the top and bottom on each side. You're going to fold over these lines to the center and on the other side. Step 10. Now you're going to fold the paper in half, like shown here. Step 11. Now you're going to look for this diagonal line here. You can see it on both sides, and we're going to fold it over. Once you know your line is correct and lined up, you can apply more pressure. Then we're going to open it up a little and make an inside reverse fold by pushing inwards here. Step 12. You're going to look for a small line at the tip here, and the same as last time, we're going to make a fold, open it back out and make another inside reverse fold by pushing the tip inside. Step 13. For this step, we're going to need to use the scissors. Now you're going to look for this flap of paper with the pointy end here. You will see a dashed line, and you're going to cut up this line like so. Now that you have cut the paper, you're going to lift each flap and fold them backwards to make the ears. Step 14. On each ear you will see a dashed dot line like shown here. and we're going to make a fold over this line. Doing so will give volume to the ears. Step 15. We're going to look for this dashed line shown here on either side, and we're going to cut along this line. Take your scissors and make a short cut. Step 16. Now you're going to look for this line shown here, and we're going to fold it over, make a crease, bring it back out, and we're going to make an inside reverse fold by pushing inwards. Please be careful not to fold in the tusks. Step 17. On the trunk you will see a line here. We're going to make another fold, make the crease, then bring it back out, and we're going to make another inside reverse fold like shown here. Step 18. Again, on the trunk you will see another line near the tip. We're going to fold it over, make the crease, bring it back out, and do another inside reverse fold. Step 19. This is the last step. You will see a small line at the very end of the trunk now. We're going to do the same steps, fold it over, bring it back out, and make another inside reverse fold. This will hide the pointy tip of the trunk. Now we have our origami elephant. Good job! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments box below. Goodbye!